out, let's scope out some cool toys. Check out this squishy unicorn. Adorable, right? Oops, I don't think that part was meant to detach. Uh-oh! What's the master plan now? So much water, it's gonna burst! No wonder unicorns are playing hide-and-seek these days. Smart move. First, let's confirm the lever's working. Yep, seems good. Time to test it out. Another cute piggy in a balloon. Here we go! Inflating for liftoff, and away it floats! Try catching this one. Oh, that's definitely different. Missed that one too. What's the plan for the next balloon? Time to craft our own balloon poodle, if you know how. A toy car that winds up? Intriguing. Must be something special about it. Whoa, that's a surprise. Talk about a toy transformer. And why settle for one friend when you can have a 2-in-1 deal? Mochi squishies, how cute! Oh no, I sense mischief brewing. Are those squishies heading for the masher? Hard to watch! On the bright side, squishies turned into cute little worms. A blend of yellow eyes and clear eggs pops like a balloon. A bunch of balls fused together. Please, no breaking. Stress balls aren't tree-born. Resist the urge to break this one. Stress balls preservation, please. Last 2 balls, beware. Play nice, no breakups. Spare a thought for these balls. Don't shatter this harmonious set. I shouldn't have spoken. Here come the scissors. Hoping the blue one makes an escape. Ew, a face only a mother could love and only for show. Keep those fingers out of there! Wouldn't mind breaking a piggy bank if it looked like this. It promised to eat your money, and it delivers. Look, a cute little robot. Drawing a line? I see where you're going with this. Adorable. Mr. Robot stays on the line. Impressive. But can we up the challenge? I guess not. But hey, even if it walks funny, it looks cute. Those look like something people wear to a rave. Hypnotic, like a spinning rainbow. Almost hypnotic. A spinning rainbow. Fascinating. Wow, they fold into cool shapes too. A camera? Unbelievable, with probably a secret purpose. Let's see. Add some glitter. A pretty image. It's a 3D sticker. Neat. I'm more into talking snowmen, but hey, everyone's got their thing. Optical illusion stepping up to 3D. Cool! If this turns into an impossible triangle, I'm paying double. That was cool. Now, let's see the magic napkin. Stretching in and out, hoping for a hypercube next. Wow. Not quite a hypercube, but you can spiral it inside. Interesting. These snappers are like robust worms. Oops, you broke it. Maybe they're not invincible. Wait, can you put them back together? Form a circle, perhaps? Thanks to the joints, you can mold them into any shape. Versatile. First a plus sign, then 3D and back again. Let's see what this next toy has in store. Seems simple, rolling a marble around and around. But simplicity can be deceiving. Spinning balls? Isn't that what balls are known for? Cool. They can spin on their own, almost like magic or sci-fi. The power of magnets, as close to magic as humans get. Not entirely sure, but it seems like something for training dairy farmers. Seems easy. Catch each one as it falls. If only it came with a few extra hands. The last one's always tricky. Oh, whatever it is, it looks like a giant bubble wand. A jump rope for one person. Intriguing. Can also do it with your hands. A nice little workout too. Fun with fitness. Can also use your hands. Next up. Oh, how adorable. What exactly is it? A mix of cat and raccoon, perhaps? Oh, got it. A creature from the depths of the underworld. Hard to find underworld creatures at such a reasonable price. Kids, an extra hand always comes in handy, as demonstrated. Great for reaching high and far. Have fun spooking your date, especially if he covered the popcorn bill. And it doubles as a prop for King Kong impersonations. Cool tools keep on coming until next time.
This little girl's the queen of the sandbox. But it looks like she'll have to protect her territory. Oh no! Your sandcastle! Huh, let's hope you kept that bucket. She doesn't seem too nice. Well, at least we get free ice cream. Oh, don't cry. The sandbox is still your friend. Look, it got you your very own catnap. Unfortunately, she wants a piece of him, too. Of course, that's taking it too literally. Hey, look, there's a little Lego inside. It's just the piece we need to make us a brand new catnap. Just remember, you're never fully dressed without a smile. Money behind your ears? Grandpa wasn't kidding. No wonder she's rich. She's made of money. But it's important to keep your cash safe. And what's safer than well, safe. There's even a special slot for coins. Looks like your butler wants a tip. Don't worry, the safe is easy to open up. You just need to remember the password. Looks like we're down to your last coin. We could always hide it under a rock. But Mom's got a better idea. Take cardboard. Now draw a cat with a special pouch right inside its tummy. Looks empty. That must mean it's hungry. You know, I hear this cat likes coins. Ooh, looks like we're getting a little collection going. Here, girls, it's important to hydrate. Do you have enough? Well, that answers that. To the restrooms! Quick, let them in! This model is in early gas station style. Of course, a tip goes a long way. Oh, guess he wants a service fee too. Not all that glitters is gold, but it's okay. Sometimes it's something better, like slime. Talk about throwing your money around. Now this should be more to your liking. Let's start you with the same basic package. Not a big fan of cockroaches either, right? Guess we need to get creative then. Looks like the answer was with you all along. Your socks. Just wrap them around the seat. Toasty! With all that energy, she'll just love this whack-a-mole toy. Grab that hammer and show those moles who's boss. Ooh, guess she prefers the direct approach. You know, all that glowing must come in handy underground. Wanna play? Well, maybe there's some real moles out back. Careful, they bite. Let's look under that box. Not a mole, but who cares? We got a box. Now punch a few holes on top. Visualize the mole. Be the mole. But you might need some aspirin when you're done. It's arts and crafts time. But maybe stick to finger painting. Remind me to ask her for some tissues. Let's try a different kind of canvas. One you can just pour the paint on. Make gravity do all the work for you. Add a crescent moon and a pair of eyes. And soon, we've got a brand new catnap. Don't forget to clean your hands. Hey, ever hear of a wastebasket? Oh, don't cry. Let's take that old paper. We can use it for our own arts and crafts. Now you've got your own catnap too. And Mom's whipped up a special trick. This brings new meaning to watercolors. Is that a nest? Wow, it's got golden eggs. They look nice, but they're still pretty fragile. Let's just hope you kept that golden goose. Ooh, even better, a hen you can aim. Looks like it's time for target practice. Don't worry, the job's actually got great benefits. Let's just hope that includes vacation days. A lot. But she's not done yet. Quick, duck! Looks like it's Super Mom to the rescue. A paperclip? Whoa, that gives her an idea. Bend it up, and it's your brand new toy. We just need to borrow some pieces of paper. Crumple it up, and it's launch time. See how far it can fly. And the winner is both of you. Time to play beauty salon. Except this one tips the customers. Okay, you deserve a break. Try this toy hair salon instead. Just fill up the tube with your favorite clay. Push down on the lever, and the client's got hair. Of course, you'll need hair to get a trim. Well, hair today, gone tomorrow, as they say. Next, let's try red hair with some streaks. Don't forget to shape it up. Look, you can even make a baseball cap. The perfect thing to hide that bald spot. Looks like she wants to play hair salon too. But maybe you should stick to safety scissors. Better yet, let's stick to cutting paper. Make some tears, and it becomes strands of hair. Now how about we clip some coupons? Seriously, keep those coupons. And look, we can make curls. Ugh, look at that zit. Don't worry, you won't feel a thing. Well, now that you've woken up, you will. It's okay, we'll play, but it's going to cost you. He knows you can give more than that. He does the family's taxes. But wouldn't you rather poke this pimple puppy instead? Squeeze nice and tight to get all that gunk out. Try not to get it on you. Didn't mean you should get it on her. Don't get mad, silly. Get crafting. Just roll up some glue and construction paper. Fold it up until it's a tight little square. Now poke a little hole on top. Make a bunch for a familiar face. But now, it's time to get popping. Ooh, this zit comes with extra slime. Aw, she's gonna sleep good tonight.